in prep for a 300-mile hike across the Pyrenees range. I'm gonna hike up and down Mailbox Peak 3 times today. So 30 miles, 12,000 feet. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm carrying about 25 pounds in my pack right now, and hopefully I won't be walking in the dark tonight. I just stopped for a water break and realized that I left all of my food in my car. So I'm gonna keep going to the top and we'll see how it goes. Lucked out. I've given charity and now I'm taking charity. First lap down, I got up there after about 2 hours and 15 minutes. So a little bit faster than I thought. 2 more laps. My thighs were a little sore running down that boulder field. What I think I'm gonna do is cook here on the trail and eat it while walking. I think that was the worst, or one of the worst, freeze-dried meals I've ever had. My stomach is full now and I can't really run downhill. Okay, lap 1 down. I'm looking at about 8 or 9 tonight. Okay, I'm about halfway up, but my left 2 middle toes are in a lot of pain. When I get to the top, I'm gonna have some coffee, and then hopefully that caffeine will help push me through the rest of the day. One of the bad things about running with food in your stomach is sometimes you vomit in your mouth when you burp. Okay, I've got to move my car because the parking lot closes at 8 p.m. Third lap is starting. Just enough sunlight to make it back to the car. Well, I guess it's all downhill from here. I think it might be time to take out the headlamp, but I'm too stubborn to stop and open up my pack. It's about 9:30, 9:45 right now, so it's a total of, I don't know, 15 hours. Well, it's 10:07, a little bit later than I wanted to finish. And my favorite burger joint is probably closed by now, so that's disappointing. But surprisingly, I don't feel as destroyed as I thought I was going to feel at this point. Would I ever do this again? Probably next weekend.